Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you all, a mesmerizing journey through the TeamLab Botanical Garden in Osaka, Japan. This one-of-a-kind art show brings together technology, nature, and creativity in ways you've never seen before. In this video, we'll take you through the background of TeamLab, the captivating characteristics of the art show, and some helpful travel tips for those planning to visit. Let's get started. First things first, how do you get here? The TeamLab Botanical Garden Osaka is conveniently located within Nagai Park, easily accessible by public transportation or car. If you're using the subway, take the red Midasuji line of osakametro and get off at Nagai Station, station number M26. If you take the JR train, you can get off at JR Nagai Station on the Hanwha line. From there, it's just a short walk to the garden's entrance. You'll find this clear transportation map within the TeamLab Botanical Garden transportation tile under the itinerary section of my travel plan. It's perfect for planning your trip or using it on the day you travel. I'll be sharing this detailed travel plan for free in the final video of my Japan trip. Now, let's talk about TeamLab. Founded in 2001, TeamLab is a Tokyo-based art collective known for its boundary, pushing digital art installations. Their goal is to dissolve the boundaries between art, technology, and nature, creating unforgettable experiences for visitors around the world. The TeamLab Botanical Garden Osaka is a mesmerizing blend of cutting-edge technology and the natural beauty of Nagai Park. It's a seasonal exhibition, so the experience can change throughout the year. Each exhibit is thoughtfully designed to interact with its environment, making it a truly unique and immersive art show. Inside, you'll encounter a series of interactive installations that respond to your movements and touch. From vibrant digital flowers that bloom as you pass by to shimmering light displays that mimic the changing seasons, each artwork will leave you in awe. One of the most captivating characteristics of the art show is its ability to create a sense of oneness with nature. It blurs the lines between the digital and physical worlds, allowing you to become part of the artwork itself. It's a journey that stimulates your senses and leaves a lasting impression on your heart. Now, before you head off to this dreamlike world, let's go over some essential travel tips to make the most of your visit. The show runs from 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. The garden is open year-round, but each season offers a unique charm. Spring brings blooming cherry blossoms, while autumn paints the landscape with vibrant colors. Choose a time that resonates with your preferences. It's best to purchase your tickets online in advance, as this popular attraction can get crowded. Securing your spot early will save you time and ensure a smooth entry. The garden is vast, so be prepared to walk and explore. Comfortable shoes will make your experience much more enjoyable. Before you head to the park, make sure to check the weather too. Since some of the exhibits are placed on the grass, if it rains, you'll end up walking on muddy paths while enjoying the beauty of the show. Don't forget your camera. The visuals are truly Instagram-worthy, and you'll want to capture those magical moments. The park is super dark, so just make sure your camera or phone can take good pictures at night. Remember that some installations respond to touch, while others are meant for observation only. Always follow the guidelines given by the staff to ensure everyone's enjoyment and safety. The TeamLab Botanical Garden Osaka at Nagai Park is an extraordinary fusion of art and nature that will transport you to a world of wonder. Whether you're a nature lover, an art enthusiast, or just someone looking for a memorable experience, this place has something truly magical to offer. So, when you plan your trip to Osaka, be sure to include the TeamLab Botanical Garden in your itinerary. If you want to explore Osaka freely at a low cost, be sure to check out these videos. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video.